Good afternoon everybody and welcome back to the Blossom Crochet channel. Today we are on day 5 of the Siobhan's Crafts hand dyed yarn advent calendar. The theme this year is gemstones and we've got these 4 beautiful ones from the previous days, and now I'm going to open number 5. Looking bright in there. Oh, there's a little something extra as well. Love a little surprise, so I'll do that in a second. Let's look at the yarn first of all. I nicely embarrassed myself yesterday because I wasn't sure how to pronounce the name of the gemstone, but hey, this one's a nice easy one. So obviously this one is amethyst, and obviously it's beautiful shades of purple. So yesterday we had the really deep shades of purple for the one that I didn't know how to pronounce, and then the amethyst is slightly brighter and slightly different tone as well of the purple, but absolutely love that. That's really pretty. Let you have a good look at that. There we go. So I'll pop that in my sausage pile. And then we had the little extra, which I think looks like a stitch marker. Let me just grab this out. It is a stitch marker. There we go. Got this beautiful, really pale, marbly purple love heart stitch marker. It's absolutely beautiful. I've got such a lovely collection of stitch markers now, so this is a beautiful little addition to this calendar. So that was it for today, and I will see you again tomorrow.